Hi, this is Saif here. In my last tutorial, we have seen one scenario. We try to achieve self-join via Jnr Transformation. So in this tutorial, we would be seeing how to achieve minus operation via Jnr Transformation. So this is the data set from my first table, and this is the data set from my second table. So if you'll see, I have some couple of records which are matching in both the tables. So this is my table A and this is my table B. So I want to remove these two records. So minus, as you know, table A minus table B. And out of the remaining three records, I want to eliminate my duplicate records and let's load the distinct record. So this is what I need to achieve in my target. So we need to achieve the functionality of minus operation. So source and target both are imported in my structures. Now what I'll do is I'll use a transformation called Jnr Transformation. So Jnr, now in Jnr Transformation what I would be doing is I'll use master outer join. Master outer join. Now why master outer join I'm choosing is because I need to have all the data set of year. I want to have all the data sets from my source one table. So this is my detail table, and as you know, the less table we make master. So this is my master table. So I'm applying a master outer join. So I will be having all the data from my table one. So that's what we'll do over here. So select all, oops, select all, bring this over here simultaneously, this over here. Let's go over here, go to the conditions tab, and let's give two conditions, employee ID and employee ID, and name would be on name, and the type of join as master outer join because I need to fetch all the data from my this table. So after this my data set would be looking like this. So here I will have null, and here also I will have null, here I will have null, and here I will have null, and the same set goes over here. Now after that what I would be doing, I would be applying a filter, and I would be just passing the data where my employee number one and employee name from the second table is null, which is nothing but this, which is employee ID 1 and employee name 1. So let's add a transformation called filter and pass is null from second table or from master to be precise. So bring in all the stuff, all the ports. Now what I'll do is I'll go over here, properties tab, and as discussed, I will be passing the null records from my master table. So employee ID of null and employee ID of my name. So I would be passing these wherever the null records are there. Then after that, I need to eliminate duplicate records. So after this, I would be getting only this data. So what I'll do is I'll use a sorter transformation, sorter to send only distinct data. Bring this all the ports and just send the required columns ahead. Save the mapping. So mapping is invalid. Why? Because let's see. So the mapping is invalid. What it says. So okay. So if you see, the error is no sorter is selected on sorter transformation. So we have applied a sorter transformation, but we have not given any keys. So that's why it's throwing an error. So I'll say this is a distinct property. Let's save this. Now the mapping is valid. So what I've done is let's connect to the folder. So I already have my session created. So this is the source coming from staging schema, this is from star schema, truncate and reload. So let's refresh this, it's already being refreshed, and save this, and let's re-execute this and see the data. Execution is happening. Let's see the statistics. So if you'll see, from the first table 5 records, and from the second table 2 records, join have been happened, filter 3 records, then district 2 records. So let's see the data in my target table. So this was the table, first table, and this is the second table data from my source. And let's go to my target table and run this query. If you'll see, only 2 records are there, which is not coming from my second table. It means that we have achieved the minus operation. So this is my table A, this is my table B. We are performing a minus operation, and after performing the minus operation, we are sending the original data ahead, and afterwards sorting it with a distinct property, and ultimately we are receiving the required result what we were expecting. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or any queries in informatic or SQL, do drop an email on smitsytechnologies@gmail.com. I will come up with another scenario soon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and take care.